Hey, so welcome back in another episode. So how does Salesforce Data Cloud work? So far, we have understood why Data Cloud is important, but how does it actually work? From bringing data together in one place to using it for decision making. What does the entire process look like? Today, let's understand it step by step. The 6-step process starts from here, from data collection to data action. Imagine you are running a coaching institute. You are getting students' info from online forms, WhatsApp, Facebook ads, and your CRM. You want to make sense of all this and act on it. Maybe send a reminder, a report, generate reports. Data Cloud helps you to do this in 6 simple steps. Let us look into it further. Data comes from different places. CRM systems like Salesforce or Zoho, websites and mobile apps, cloud drives like Google Cloud or AWS, devices like smartwatches, POS machines, just like students submit homework via email, WhatsApp, or handwritten notes. Data also comes from multiple formats. Now we use APIs or tools like MuleSoft to pull this data inside the system. Data comes in 2 ways: batch, all at once, like a daily attendance; streaming, live updates, like seeing a new comment instantly. Imagine one student gives you a list of all the test scores once a week, that's a batch, while another updates you on every score on WhatsApp, suppose. That's a streaming. All incoming data has different formats. Maybe one says first name and another says F name. Here, Data Cloud standardizes it using data models. So every piece fits like a puzzle. Like organizing notes from different teachers into one clean format before exam time, title, date, topic, all in one single style. Now, Data Cloud tries to figure out which data belongs to whom, using something called the customer data graph. It connects fields like email IDs, phone number, device ID, purchase history to form one clean profile for each person. Like combining a student's name, a roll number, and phone number to know it's the same person, not 3 separate entities. Now that the data is clean and linked, you can run analytics. Which students are most active? Who hasn't attended in 7 days? Who is likely to drop out? Data Cloud also uses AI to predict behavior. Like a teacher is guessing this a student has scored low in last 3 tests, there could be trouble in the next test as well. Based on analysis, Data Cloud can trigger actions like send an email, show a custom ad, update a dashboard, alert your team. Like if a student misses 3 classes, system sends an automatic message to the parents. Your child hasn't attended this week. This is called activation, turning insights into actions. Let's do a quick recap. Data Cloud works like this: collects data from all platforms, pulls it into the system using various tools, joining the dots to form a full customer profile, give you smart insights and prediction, and lets you act on those automatically. Now the process is clear, but you might be wondering, how is it actually set up? How is it used in real organization? So in next episode, let's explore this in a real world example. Thank you.